Good afternoon. My name is Riya Bhanushali and would like to welcome you all to the launch of a prestigious project in collaboration with Bombay Leprosy Project and Mission Leprosy Bangladesh. It is a privilege for me to host this event to acknowledge the contribution of all of who made this project a success. Today, we are here to celebrate a journey in the development of the website for a collaborating organization. Our college, Shayankar Kachi Engineering College and BLP have been the prominent part of the project. Now, I would like to invite our respected principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel sir, whose leadership and guidance have allowed the SAKEC to achieve a respectable position of recognition in the Mumbai University. So we would like to hear a few words from you.
Thank you. Very happy morning, afternoon, evening to all of you because we are operating in a different time zone. Yeah. So I must welcome first Dr. Ruth, Dr. V.V. Pai, my colleagues, Dr. Nilakshi, Professor Jalpa, and the team members, dear student. It is really a proud moment to see and be a part of this extraordinarily project launch of the project which is going to help everyone, and it is happening through BLP. It is really a proud moment for all of us. I must say that students, faculty, the BLP, the faculty, mentors, and everybody has put in their rigorous effort to come to this stage, and whatever they have done will definitely help to the society, and it will take up to a new level. I'm sure that we all are eagerly waiting to see the hard work they are putting and to test whatever they have done, test the fruit which is already ripe now, and wish that everyone will strive hard to see that the project reaches to as many people as they can be useful to, then only we can make it a great success. So I wish all of you a great success in their life, and specifically to the students who have really done a wonderful work under the leadership of Professor Jalpa Mehta and Dr. Nilakshi, and in collaboration with Dr. Pai, who have been close associated with the project, and Dr. Ruth, who during her visit also, I just remember we were just discussing some time back about her visit also to our college. So I wish all the best, and let us see what the students have done so far. Thank you. I wish all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for motivating and inspiring us to do better and achieve our glory. This project would have been difficult without the support of Dr. Vivek Pai sir, who made us get acquainted with the world of medicine and provide us guidance when and when needed to complete our honor project. Sir has been the true inspiration for all of us, and also have been the active member for providing support to the people suffering from leprosy. Sir, it would be a memorable moment for all of us to hear few words from you.
Thank you, Professor Jalpa Mehta, Dr. Nilakshi Jain, Principal Dr. Bhavesh Patel, the faculty, the students, Dr. Ruth Butlin, my international colleagues, Dr. Pauline Schilbeck, our collaborator of this project. It is an honor and proud privilege to be a part of this project launch. I didn't imagine that it could be a project launch. Our basic understanding and thinking was to, I'm amazed at the development, the evolution of this collaboration, which in a field of medicine, in the field of leprosy healthcare, engineering students joining, which is poles apart from medicine and engineering, but how this aspect of engineering aspect is helping the healthcare, and that is the true the technology coming to the rescue of medicine, healthcare, leprosy healthcare, that too in leprosy healthcare. So it is really a proud moment and a great collaboration in terms of the technology coming into the field of leprosy, not only in terms of the routine healthcare. We started off with the database of developing a database of how to develop a database for patient healthcare, for routine healthcare, but taking it to the level of research. Now, this is a purely a research project, extraclofazimine study, and not only on a national platform, but linking up with international centers from Bangladesh, then UK, and so it is a great symbolic gesture today of this association. And I'm extremely amazed to see this project launch with and most importantly, the students taking tremendous interest right from the day of this inception of this particular project. And they have been instrumental under the able guidance of their mentors, Professor Jalpa Mehta, Nilakshi Jain. And I am not only on this front, I think we have evolved on not only developing a database, but Professor Jalpa Mehta is also pursuing her PhD on leprosy, and that is something from an engineering perspective. We already have a paper published on artificial intelligence, how AI can be of help in leprosy. I think all put together in total, I extremely pleased with this development, and this must reach the ultimate beneficiary, the patient care, and it should help in the patient care. That is the true collaborative effort, and I'm glad that our colleagues are also joined in. Before we talk about progress on the database, which we started, I think a month and 1.5 months back, and to scale up this research. So let me congratulate the entire team of Shayan Anchor, the faculties, the dean, the principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel, the faculty and the students, and our international collaborators, Dr. Ruth Butlin, Dr. Pauline Schilback, and the student to making it possible. So thank you very much, and I wish the best in taking this forward, in reaching out to the patient community. So thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
The words were to inspiration for all of us, sir. Thank you, sir, for inspiring us. I would now like to introduce Dr. Butlin ma'am, who has provided us the opportunity to take up this project. Ma'am is a doctor and a medical advisor who works with the Leprosy Mission and other organizations as a part of a leprosy control efforts in Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. Ma'am has been with us all the time and helped us to understand the project deeply, which help us to make our project less prone to error and bugs. I would request ma'am to throw some light on the project. Ma'am, please share your experience with us.
Good morning, and thank you for having me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really proud to be part of this collaboration between 3 different countries and 2 different disciplines. So I understand that during this collaboration, the people on the leprosy side have probably learned quite a lot more about IT. And I'm sure that the students on the IT side have learned a lot more about leprosy. So my hope would be that in future, in whatever places they are working, that they will find some opportunities to continue an interest in serving leprosy affected people through their technological skills. I would also really like to see that in the future, maybe we could find a similar team of IT engineer experts in Bangladesh who might support some of our other leprosy projects there. So maybe I'll discuss that with John Samadar later on, and we'll see whether we can use this model in a different situation. So I wish success in their future careers to all the students, and my thanks to all the staff, principal, department head, and Dr. Mehta at the Engineering College. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a great words. Now I would like to introduce Pauline ma'am, who has been a motivation and encouraged us. In spite of the long distance, she always tries to motivate us. Ma'am, we would like to hear a few words from you.
Thank you very much, and many apologies for the mess in the background. I see that you work with blurred backgrounds. I probably should have done that before I came on the call, but I'm
no problem
at the moment.
No problem, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I can only echo what Dr. Ruth was just saying, that I'm very proud to be a small component of this project, and it's amazing to see not only in leprosy but in all kinds of fields of medicine how we have the knowledge and the techniques to take this forward. Dr. Pai already talked about artificial intelligence, and so there's so much knowledge that we have, but we sometimes find it quite difficult to find each other in that way, where people with in their kind of stay in their silos, whereas if we do come together, that really is driving the field forward, and it's amazing to see what you've done, and I'm very happy to at least help a little bit with some parts of it.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such a great word, sir. Your analysis part has also helped us a lot. Now I would like to introduce John, sir, who has been there with us to improvise our project and help us to achieve our goal very well. So we would like to hear a few words from you as well.
Thank you all, and this is a very exciting moment I am passing through, and it's the privilege for me to be with you all. And I have one inner feeling that I want to share, that today's launch program will impact our collaboration for doing the research, and and not only the research, but I hope that people who are suffering and will be in the future infected by leprosy, they will be benefited out of this launch program. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing such a great words with us. Now I would like to introduce Dilip, sir. Sir has always motivated us and also shown what our mistakes we did in our project and help us to improve the model very well. So, sir, please share a few words with us.
Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. This is a great moment for me also, to celebrating and collaboration with this project. And it is really, it is as you know, we are a learning project. Then we have to learn a lot from this young, talented guys, those who are working for this, and mentorship with our Dr. Ruth and our honorable program leader, sir. So it is my great opportunity to learn a lot from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for always teaching us and keep motivating us. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to proceed a project that is Electronic Health Record System for Leprosy and the Extra-CLOFA study, which is a website that will help the medical personnel to digitize the record of the leprosy patient, which will help in the efficient and systematic management of the patient data. Now I would request Nishit to take over from here the presentation.
Hello and good afternoon to all. I have created a short demo walkthrough video which would just introduce all of us on how the forms work and how do we input the data and how does it get saved. So I would like to share that video. Yes, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So this is a very short video which I have created. So this was just a short introductory video that how do our forms work, how does it get saved, and also included the manual which we had created for everybody who would be using the website. So I would like to continue tell to Ria to continue the.
Now I would like to give the control to Khyati. She will present the certificates to all the mentors and the team members. Khyati, please go with the certificates.
Yeah, thank you, Ria. Now I would like to present all the sample certificates to all the project members as a token of appreciation. Please note that these are sample certificates as we are still gathering the signatures of all the dignitaries. So now our first intern is Nishit Mistry. Nishit, I would request you to speak a few words about your experience with the work in BLP.
Thank you, Khyati. I am very, very glad to be part of this international collaboration and working with Ms. Jalpa Mehta. They have been a constant inspiration to me, and one day they just had told me that they would like me to come to the survey and know about the leprosy. I had no idea about leprosy, what would it be like, and how would I help the leprosy patients. I started visiting the center. We went for the survey. We did some data entries, and then we talked with many doctors, Dr. Pai sir, and various other doctors and leprosy patients. We got the ground level information from them, and then the collaboration with the international NGO, the Leprosy Mission Bangladesh, was a huge opportunity for us. We created the forms. With proper validation. And I am really, really glad to be part of this international collaboration and this mission. And I would like to continue the helping for the leprosy patients. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Nishit. The next certificate I would like to hand over is to Amisha Das. Amisha, please share your experience.
I would like to thank Ma'am Jalpa ma'am and Nilakshi ma'am and all the other staff of our college, and Dr. V.V. Pai sir, Ashish sir, and all BLP staff for giving us such an great opportunity so that we were able to contribute a small part towards the society. As BLP was a part of our internship, and yeah, now we are really glad to work under this project. Thank you.
Next, I would like to present the certificate to Parth Joshi. Parth, would you like to share your views about this project?
Yes, thank you, Khyati. I always dreamt of working on a project whose outcome would help the people to fulfill their requirement. This opportunity was handed over to me in the form of Bombay Leprosy Project by our mentor, Ms. Jalpa ma'am, and the research fellow Saket. I learned all the necessary and important skills needed as an engineer while working on the project from our mentor as well as the seniors who help us in our journey. It brought a great opportunity for all of us while working on the project. Thank you.
Now I hand over the next certificate to Asya Khan. Asya, can you tell about the journey about your journey in this project?
Yes. First of all, thank you to all the mentors who have been there, helped us and been so supportive all this time. BLP has always helped me, whether in terms of personality, performance or placements. I have gained a lot from it. It was a total new experience and an exposure to new things for me, whether surveys or visit to the centers or the project we did as a team. All this experience has immensely helped me in my placement activities and my personal growth. So it is overall a very good feeling and I feel so privileged to be a part of it. Thank you.
Next,
Wait,
I would
Kathy, there is only less than 1 minute left. So this is the same link. You can join it again.
Is it a recurring meeting?
Yes, ma'am. It's a recurring meeting.
Okay, okay.
बोलो ना हाँ तुम्हें होते ना माझ्या स्क्रीन मध्ये होते ना
Kathy, continue.
Yeah. Next, I would like to present the certificate to Riya Bhanushali. Riya, could you speak some words about your experience?
Yeah, thank you, Kathy. For this wonderful opportunity, I would like to thank our mentor, Jalpa ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for always supporting us. I clearly remember the first day when we went to the BLP center. We all were nervous, but ma'am supported us. She also accompanied us to the survey. So, ma'am, thank you for giving us, always supporting us and giving us such a good opportunity. And also, I would also like to thank the BLP center. The ma'am staff members and all were always supportive with us. So they guided us well and helped us to complete our project. So I feel privileged to be a part of such a good project. Thank you everyone for accepting us as a part of project.
Next. Apart from all the interns, an important role was played by our mentors. Our mentors helped us throughout the project by guiding us whenever we needed them. This is our internal mentor, Professor Jalpa Mehta. We started the project with basic knowledge of the medical field and the software application. The process of our learning would be impossible without our passionate and innovative mentor, Ms. Jalpa Mehta, who has always been there for us all the time to guide and motivate us, which helped us develop ourselves as engineers. Ma'am, it would be an honor for us to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, team. I will not take much time because we have to do demonstration also. So, on behalf of Shan Sir, Kutch Engineering College, Research Cell Coordinator, Dr. Nilakshi Jain ma'am, I would say a very big thank you to give us opportunity to work with this eminent project. We have started with a small collaboration which is called national collaboration with the BLP, and now our journey reached to the international collaboration with Leprosy Mission Bangladesh and Dr. Ruth madam with you and Pauline ma'am. So actually I'm very lucky to be a bridge between the healthcare sector and engineering sector. So I will always serve you whenever you want. That is my promise. And as we started from 2018, we have done a lot of work with this BLP centers. We used to go with the Dharavi for the surveys with the students. We used to come to on Wednesday for data entries for electronic health record management system that we have developed before. And now this project has achieved one more level of getting extra CLOPA study database management system. So we look forward for your updates and changes every time. I'm just giving you. We are welcome to do any kind of help, and I'll definitely assure my service to BLP and SACE further. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Next, I would like to present the certificates to Dr. Batlin ma'am. Ma'am, could you speak a few words?
Thank you. This is a surprise. I wasn't expecting to receive a certificate. So thank you very much for having me in the team, and I found it a very interesting experience to work with a different group of people outside of the medical field. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to present the certificate to Dr. Pai, sir. Sir, I request you to share your views.
This is more than a surprise, you see.
Yeah.
I
This is a
thought
sample certificate only, sir. We are going to get the hard copy when we visit the center.
I thought yesterday Jalpa called me to sign the certificate.
Yes, sir.
And not to. Anyway, I think it's my pleasure to be receiving this certificate of excellence, and that too in a joint collaborative effort. And this truly reflects the symbolic collaboration between institutes from here in Mumbai, and coming together of them on a platform to take up this work of leprosy relief, leprosy data entry, and then how this can be helpful to the patient community. I am extremely eager to do that. We started off with that, and then I think even for a research project, I didn't imagine that, but then a thought came to me before the thought of this collaboration. I remember Dr. Ruth, we had the first meeting in Indonesia when we conceived this project, and then we submitted the application, and then it materialized, and then came the issue of database, and then who I can think of except Shah and Anchor, and the bright the student forum, the faculty is highly motivated, the entire campus is vibrant with this activity, and they have been instrumental in taking this to this level, and then working on this continuously, and then producing this kind of work is extremely pleasing. And I'm glad that the student community helping and the faculty joining hands in hands along with us, and then providing a platform to support the cause of leprosy. So thank you very much on this occasion.
Thank you, sir. Now that I would like to present the certificate to Dr. Pauline Schulbeck. Ma'am, could you share your views with us?
Oh my goodness, I'm definitely surprised by this, and I think it's too much honor to receive a certificate here. But if anything, I will use it to be extra motivated to keep supporting you and bring these to the table whenever I can, and I look really forward to, because I think also the analysis part of the project is yet to come, of course, once the data comes in, and so I'll use it as an extra motivation on the way forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have the certificate for Dr. John, sir. Sir, would you like to share a few words with us?
A little correction. I am not a doctor. I am a,
Okay. Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. Just okay, but this is not a surprise now for me, because when I saw that it is coming down, so I was expecting that I will get one.
Yeah. You can see
the
line of certificates are there.
Yeah. So I, with a pleasant heart, accept this certificate, and considering it as an appreciation and recognition of our collaboration. collaboration for impacting the life of people affected by leprosy. So thank you for this certificate. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to present a certificate to Mr. Dilip Das. Sir, could you speak a few words for us?
Oh, really? It is very much appreciable that always getting certificate, and that is, yes, I'm very much honored to get this certificate. Thank you very much for giving me to this certificate. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, it's my certificate at the end. So I would like to speak upon how the BLP project has proved to be beneficial to me in many ways. During my Capgemini interview, the HR had inquired about the projects that I had worked upon, and after mentioning the BLP project, she not only showed interest in hearing the details about the project, but was also quite impressed. So BLP proved to be beneficial in this way, and moreover, while visiting the BLP center at Chunabatti for data entries, I became free from hesitation of talking to unknown people, as we had to interact a lot with the doctors over there. So it was a really enriching experience, which ended up with a feeling of accomplishment towards a positive and we had a positive contribution towards the betterment of our society. So thank you everyone for making me part of this project. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over my control to Nishit. So we would like to share a glimpse of our journey in the form of a video.
Thank you, Kathy. Yes, ma'am. We have created a journey video and I would like to show it to you guys. Is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
So this was just a short glimpse, everybody.
I will not take much time before our demonstration. I'll just like to introduce Dr. Nilakshi Jain. She is our research coordinator. And without her, it is not possible to get this project. I'll just give mic to Nilakshi ma'am. Please say a few words.
He is sitting just nearby me and telling me, ma'am, please speak something. Well, Jalpa ma'am, I must say, as a research cell coordinator, It's very proud moment for me because you have given this project an international recognition. I still remember when we first time met this Dr. V.V. Pai sir. It was our very initial MOU which we signed in 2018. And this is the only ongoing project which is working till now. So many students joined the project and now they are really working so hard that they have published 2 copyrights, 1 paper Scopus Index, 2 are in pipeline, and I know it should be in the mind that next will be like patent. So it will be a great surprise for SAKE as well as the research cell. I would like to congratulate each and every team member from SAKE and all external mentors. Without your support, without your guidance, definitely it was not possible. Please keep guiding us. We are really looking forward for this collaboration to take at next level. Even now I am thinking to change my research cell slogan. When I started 2018, research cell slogan was "Me becomes we, together to build a strong nation." Now I think it should be changed to "Me becomes we, together to build a strong nations." Because so many nations are involved and definitely they will be benefited by this project developed by you. So once again, thank you so much. Congratulations to the team and thank you all the external mentors. Thank you, V.V. Pai sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. We would like to thank our research cell and the Nilakshi ma'am for their immense support and always supporting us, giving us new ideas how to improvise our project and always keeping motivated us. Even if it's Sunday or a holiday, she always in a one call she is always ready to help us. So thank you, ma'am, for everything.
Without wasting our time much, I'll just give a handover to Nishit for starting the demonstration of the project we have done so far.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we have created multiple users already, as we discussed in the previous meeting that whoever wanted some users to do some testing purposes, we gave the users to them. So we have multiple users already over here. This is the main admin user, and in here we can add patients and also search patients, like all the different. So I have created one data entry that I showcased in the walkthrough video. The first 2 forms are compulsory to fill. So I had filled the first 2 forms and it has been properly validated. Like the phone number has to be 10 digits or 11 digits according to a few different international countries. So it should be 10 or 10 more than 10. We have added proper validation in all the different fields, like the email address also. We have matched the study number as well. We have created different IDs for each and every form, and we have created the first 2 forms, as I have told it is compulsory to fill. We can edit those 2 forms as well, however we want. We can update the value. There are 6 other forms which we can fill, which are pre-randomization for 3 monthly, post-randomization for 3 monthly, the record sheet, the final follow-up sheet, some miscellaneous notes by the staff at various centers, and even the checklist for some adverse effects. And there is a shortcut button to directly add a new patient from this display form. Rather than to go back to log out and go back, we can directly add a new patient from here as well. So we can go to this 3rd form, which is the pre-randomization 3 monthly form. And here we can see that the patient name and study number has been already fetched. So we can just fill in the forms, like we can enter the date, the time point. These all forms are created in according with the forms which were provided to us by Dr. Butlin ma'am and the BLP Center collaboration. So we have created the entire forms. We have added short notes. The 2 meetings which we previously held were a kind of glimpse into more depth. So there were some changes which were suggested by the dignitaries, and we had successfully achieved those changes. And we can update, we can save the forms. Like there are 6 different forms. So all the forms now we can get the patient name and the study number at the very top. So no need to fill in the patient name and study number at each form. Now we had also added the reminders. So if somebody forgets something at a particular form, they can get the reminders also. These reminders were also given to us by the dignitaries, and we have added it successfully. The database has also been created, and it has been properly validated, and it is live. Our website is live, as you can see, bombayleprosy.org/BAP/modules, and we can add a new patient from here, and we can edit the forms as well.